Hello friends, welcome back to Creative Kiosk. Let me now take you to part 2 of the Kazuri bead factory story. If you have not already watched part 1 of this video, please do go watch that video for a better understanding of the remaining processes.
The orders from our distributors. The management, they write recipes like this.
Okay.
The work of the recipes is to guide the glazers. The number of the beads here are 10, 10, 10. These are the colors: mid blue, tiny dots in buttercup, sky speckle. So she's going to read one after another one and making the designs. After she completes the whole thing, she's going to use the wires. These wires are very strong. They are the ones we use when doing the fairing. Yes. So she's continuing glazing the beads up to around 2 p.m. That's when we start loading the beads to the oven after they come from their lunch. And the number of the beads we saw here, they will make one necklace, and the length will be 36 inches. Yes. So also there are some of the orders, they need the designs on them. That's what she's doing, black and white. Necklaces which they need mother of pearl. That's a varnish which is added over the beads, which make them very shiny. I'm going to show you how they change. They're trying to make a lot for...
Oh, so they make their own recipes.
Yes.
Everyone has their
Each
own.
one has her own recipes. So after the lunch, they are going to start loading the beads. This is one of the oven.
Okay.
And they are going to use the wires.
Mm.
They are going to do like this, separate the beads like this. The beads will sit on the bricks. And also they are going to make sure the beads are not touching to avoid them sticking together. They are going to be
So how many can go at one go?
the
How many?
full of it.
Oh, till up.
Yeah, we are going to fill the first layer, and then we are going to make another layer using the bricks
Okay.
over there, and then load more beads, and then keep stacking out here like that. Yeah. So that's how we load.
Okay.
And the beads will be baked overnight for 8
Oh,
hours.
overnight.
Overnight.
They left.
Yeah. Sorry. There's a man who is left behind to take care of them, because it's very hot doing the fairing during the day. So we do at night. So it's about 3,000 beads every day. We load them, each oven. So there are over 10 ovens, so there are about 30,000 beads
Oh, in a day.
a day. The temperature will be 1,000. And we are going to use the thermometer. We have the thermometer here.
Oh.
These are called the pyrometric cones. They are the ones we use to measure the temperature. The cones are made of clay. So when the temperature reaches 1000, the corn will start melting.
Oh,
So when it starts melting, it will show now the beads are ready.
oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it becomes like this.
Yeah, it melts and becomes like that. Yeah. Before the firing.
So you put this inside there?
Inside there, you see, we have this small hole.
Yes, yes.
When they load
So you
the
put
beads
it like
coming
this?
up, no.
Ah,
When they load
Uh-huh.
and the oven reaches somewhere here,
Okay, okay.
they are going to use the trays,
Oh,
put them here. Somewhere you can see over the hole.
okay.
Yeah. So after firing the beads at night,
Yeah.
when we come morning,
Mm,
we take the beads from the oven, bring them here, using the same recipes you can see. And the lady's work is to do the quality control.
oh,
You can see now she's sorting them,
mm,
and she's rejecting the broken beads, the chipped ones, something like this,
Yes,
because we
yeah.
can't use this one.
right.
After they do the quality, they are going to give them to the threaders,
Mm-hmm.
and then they make the necklaces. A combination, a
Yeah.
lot, different colors.
Mm.
The bracelets also.
Oh, she's making a bracelet.
Yeah, using the memory wire.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anklets.
Yeah. Oh, these are anklets.
Yeah, the anklets.
Nice.
The necklaces, we use the fishing line.
Mm.
Yeah, different colors, designs.
They're all handmade.
Everything handmade. Yeah. And they are picking the glazes, we keep them here.
And how are the glazes made?
We made them, they are mixing with
Oh,
water.
you make it.
Yeah. But we buy them from outside South Africa.
Oh.
They come as form of powder, and then we mix them with the water. And they are all lead free.
Okay.
Yeah. We use them also in pottery sections. Pottery glazing.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where we do the glazing, and the ones we saw there, these are the ones. We bring them here, and these are the ladies who does the glazing. They also have orders to follow.
Hello.
But first, they make sure they sand them to make them smooth.
Yeah.
And after that, now they continue doing the designs. Each one has the design she's making according to the instructions. So after they glaze, they keep them there.
Okay.
Yeah, for them to dry. She's making the tree, and this is the tree after
Oh,
the
that she's
firing.
making.
Yeah, this is what it changes.
Oh, so it goes for a bake again?
Yeah, again. You can see the small effects.
Yes.
They are going to fix them, and then they are going to take them back to the oven. Yeah.
Oh, they have a bigger
They
kit.
have the too big for the pottery.
Mm.
They use the trays. The item they glaze, they are going to sit on the trays, and also they make sure they are not touching. After filling the first tray, they are going to use the second up, and then they come to the front line, then they start to build another layer to the top.
Yeah.
After that also they are going to use the cones.
Oh yeah, the
Yeah, the
pyro
cones we
cones.
saw, yeah. Do the firing for 10 hours.
That's overnight again.
Yeah, overnight.
What are these? These are bricks.
They are bricks also. Yeah,
The bricks.
for 10 hours.
Mm.
The next morning after the 10 hours, the pottery has to remain closed for 3 days.
Oh, inside.
Cool down slowly, yeah. The beads, we take them every day because they are small. But for pottery, to avoid them breaking, we have to wait for 3 days to cool. The mother of pearl. You can see they have a shining.
Yes, yes.
They are not the same
An
as
oceanic.
yeah,
oceanic
like
shine.
There you can see they are different.
Yes, yes. This one and this one,
Yeah,
right?
so this is the one with the mother of pearl.
Okay.
That's why they have more shiny. So all the necklaces, they have prices in Kenya shilling.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked it, please share and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video.